Okay, something I wanted to share with you guys here. As a small shop here, I have very limited space. And last year I purchased a 5-watt focused beam laser. This is a handheld laser. It also does have a stand, which you see here. It also has a laser guard that is standalone with a built-in fan. I purchased this as a result of needing to monogram some personalized items that were not made by me. And also, sometimes I have items such as this oil tan leather here, which cannot take any kind of tooling in the traditional sense of a swivel knife or stamps. So what's great about this here is I can actually laser engrave my maker's mark. I can laser engrave personalized items such as this bear and heart that I have on this piece of scrap leather. It does also work on upholstery leather. It also works on vegetable tan leather with dye applied. I don't know if you can see that here on the camera, but I also did a full lettering etch and then just the perimeter of the letters to give you two different results. I do this as a additional service for my business here. Sometimes people will order things like card holders that already are finished. So as a result, I actually end up using the laser here to add personalization or initials after the fact. If you're a small business like myself here, it's very critical to be able to get orders, be able to offer services, but able to operate within the means and space that you have. So this is one of the things I highly recommend if you're a small business and you're looking for a way to capitalize on services you can actually offer within your shop. Looking at investing in one of these handheld lasers. This is something I purchased on my own. It was not sponsored, was not donated to me. This is something I paid for out of pocket. This one in particular made by Gemitsu, which was found on Amazon. Last time I checked, these were discontinued, but there are similar models that you can purchase. They're about $300 last time I priced them out. They may be cheaper or more expensive right now. But again, this is just kind of a tool tip from my shop here of things you can add on there to expand offerings and services for your own business. Here you see the laser engraver being used to etch a California bear inside of a heart. This was a personalization requested by the customer on this minimalist card holder. This is made with Italian leather, which is a form of chrome tanned leather. Since this is a 5-watt focused beam laser, I generally do not run it at 100% of its total output. The 100% rating would actually burn through the leather or cause it to start charring and shrinking the leather as a result of burning. So I will actually operate this majority of the time around 85 to 90% of the total output capacity it has. Anytime you operate a laser, whether you're lasering paper, leather, or metal, it is highly recommended that you use a fume extractor. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see that I have one operating here, drawing all the fumes away. Leather in particular, when you burn it, is highly toxic, so you want to make sure you use a proper filtration system. This engraving took roughly over a minute.